how to make super flat world in Minecraft. So first what we want to do is just go to the single player right here. So this is the Java edition. So click on single player, then create new world. Once you're there, just simply click on the world right here at the top. And the world type, just click on it till you see the super flat world type right there. And when you click on customize, you could also have presets right here with the water world, classic flat, tunnel stream. So basically tunnel stream will have a lot more deeper underground things and stuff. But for us, we're just going to use the classic flat. Then click on use preset. Once you're done, just click on done right there. Then go back to game. You could also name your world. So let's say flat world, just like so. Then click on create new world. So you could also set it to creative or survival if you want. Then click on create new world. And once you're here, as you can see, it is automatically set to super flat, just like so. And that's how you basically make a super flat world in Minecraft.